wondered where the water in the oceans, rivers, and lakes come from? Have you ever wondered why it rains or snows? Well, it's all part of a really cool process called the water cycle. The water cycle is kind of like a big adventure that water takes. It travels all around the earth and changes form along the way. Hi, welcome to ExamPadi. Today, we're going to be learning about the water cycle, and I will be your paddy for today's video. Come along with me. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the Earth's surface. The water cycle has 4 main stages. Number 1, evaporation. This is the process by which water is heated by the sun and it changes from a liquid to a gas. This occurs when the sun heats up bodies of water, such as oceans, lakes, and rivers. Number 2, condensation. This is the process by which water vapor in the atmosphere cools and changes from a gas to a liquid. As the water vapor rises, it cools and forms clouds. Number 3, precipitation. This is the process by which water falls from the clouds to the Earth's surface in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. And number 4, collection. This is the process by which water collects in rivers, lakes, oceans, and other bodies of water, and the cycle starts all over again. The water cycle is very important because it helps us to distribute water throughout the Earth's surface. Without the water cycle, some areas of the Earth would be very dry, while others would be very wet. In addition, the water cycle helps to regulate the Earth's temperature. When water evaporates, it cools the Earth's surface, and when water condenses, it releases heat into the atmosphere. Human activities can also impact the water cycle. For example, deforestation and urbanization can decrease the amount of water that is absorbed into the ground, which can lead to flooding and erosion. Climate change can also impact the water cycle, causing changes in precipitation patterns and leading to more extreme weather events. Thank you for learning about the stages of the water cycle with me. Subscribe to ExamPadi for more educational videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.